Hi everyone! So I'm following with the lesson 12. The lesson 12, like I said, will be very big. Probably 10 lessons included in this lesson. So it's going to be like a group and it's like much more a folder, or a file of the lesson 12. Today, we're not going to this about food, but we're not going to talk exactly about food. I would like to show you how to conjugate a verb, like for example, how to say to take a meal, but to say it in a different tense of the indicative and also to the indicative, to the singular and the plural. I know there is other parts of other lessons I have to do, but I wanted you to do this one. And I also started the lesson 13, which have nothing to do with the lesson 12, of course. Because on the lesson 13, I will be conjugating the verb from the first group. There is 3 groups in the French verb. So this one is a third group. You need to know them the way it is because unfortunately there is not for the verb of the third group something like it's always the same. The verb from the third group are not perfect at all. The conjugation is changing a lot. So you're going to see on your screen. So we start with the verb prendre, to take, à l'infinitif, to the infinitive form. So verbe prendre à l'infinitif. And then it's written, le verbe prendre est un verbe du troisième groupe. It's just what I told you. Then the verb to take is a verb from the third group. So you have 2 columns. The first column is singular. The second column is plural. What is underlined? This is general. When you take a meal, and then the second column will be to take meals. So, singular, how you say prendre mon repas, prendre ton repas, prendre son repas, prendre notre repas, prendre votre repas, prendre leur repas. So, just what I said, this is to take my meal, to take your meal, to take his meal, or to take her meal, to take our meal, to take your meal, plural, of course, or if it's a polite formula, to take their meal, just singular, so it's one meal. Now, same with plural. So, prendre mes repas, prendre tes repas, prendre ses repas, prendre nos repas, prendre vos repas, prendre vos repas, prendre leurs repas. You will notice I didn't pronounce the S at the end of leur, L-E-U-R-S, prendre leur repas, the last line that I just said. You will notice that I say no or vos. I don't say nos, vos. I don't pronounce any S. I say no, vos, because you don't pronounce the S, the final S. So, what I said, this is to take meals. So, to take my meals, to take your meals, to take his meals, or to take her meals, to take our meals, to take your meals, and to take their meals. So, repas, R-E-P-A-S, you understand, this is meal. R-E-P-A-S, this is meals too. So, singular, plural is the same spelling. You don't pronounce the S, you say repas. If you say repas, this is something else, So, you just say repas, because repas, this is a meal. If you say repasse, that means that you iron. You know, like for example, repasser ses vêtements. To iron his clothes. So you don't want to say repasse. You say repas because this is concerning the food. This is concerning the meals. Okay. So now we go to, I went a little quick to say all of that, so I'm going to go slowly. Prendre mon repas, prendre ton repas is the first column. Prendre son repas, prendre notre repas, prendre votre repas, prendre leur repas. So that it was to prendre un repas, one single meal. Now, plural, prendre des repas, more than one, so, meals. Prendre mes repas, prendre tes repas, prendre ses repas, prendre nos repas, prendre vos repas, prendre leurs repas. Okay? Now we go to the present tense of indicative. Le présent de l'indicatif. Prendre un or des repas. Okay? Or is English. In French, this will be prendre un ou des repas. So, take one meal or take more than one meal. Take meals. Je prends mon repas. Je prends mes repas. Or, je prends mon ou mes repas. Tu prends ton repas. Tu prends tes repas. You see, each time I stop to the slash bar and I go to repas. I mean, you understood. Il prend son repas. Elle prend son repas. Il prend ses repas. Elle prend ses repas. Nous prenons notre repas. Nous prenons nos repas. Vous prenez votre repas. Vous prenez vos repas. Ils prennent leur repas. Ils prennent leur repas. Because I say singular and plural in the same time. Now, elles prennent leur repas. Elles prennent leur repas. You know, it's, you will tell me, how do you know this is elle and this is not, for example, singular? Well, first, because if it was elle singular, you will say prend. You will not say prenne. That is number one. So when you say prenne, you all immediately know this is plural. Now, for leur and leur, why there is a S and why there is no S, this is just depending how many meals do they take. You know, if you're talking about one meal or you're talking about more. Same for notre and nos, or votre and vos, you know, because the first was singular, the second was plural. And when I say, when there's a slash, you already know that it's il or elle, you know, il ou elle. I say in English because I want to make sure you understand, but it's in French, it will be il ou elle, ou ou, which in English will be ou. You know your alphabet, so you know ou, you know what it is. Now, to the past, so au passé, this past, because there is plenty of past, you know, it's like in English, it's like different languages, they have different past. So this one is called the imparfait, imperfect. Yeah. And this is what I was saying about the third group. This is really imperfect to conjugate the third group. Okay, so au passé, imparfait de l'indicatif. Je prenais mes repas. And I forgot to say mon, so I'm going back on this one, sorry. Je prenais mon repas, only one. Je prenais mes repas, more than one. Tu prenais ton repas. Tu prenais tes repas. Il prenait son repas. Il prenait ses repas. Elle prenait son repas. Elle prenait ses repas. Nous prenions, you see there is a I, I-O-N-S. Nous prenions notre repas. Nous prenions nos repas. Same for vous preniez. I-easy. Vous preniez votre repas. Vous preniez vos repas. Then, ils prenaient leur repas. Ils prenaient leur repas. Elles prenaient leur repas. Elles prenaient leur repas. Now we go to the future. So, futur, indicatif, futur de l'indicatif in French, future of indicative in English. Je prendrai, you see, this is DR. And you don't put a S. If you noticed before, you were putting on the past, you put a S. If you go back to the past, the pink part, au passé imparfait de l'indicatif, je prenais AIS. Okay, you don't do that anymore because this is future. So, je prendrai des R-A-I. Ça, c'est français, it's in French. In English, the R et I. Je prendrai mon repas. Je prendrai mes repas. Tu prendras ton repas. Tu prendras tes repas. Il prendra son repas. Il prendra ses repas. Elle prendra son repas. Elle prendra ses repas. Nous prendrons notre repas. Nous prendrons nos repas. Vous prendrez votre repas. Vous prendrez vos repas. Ils prendront leur repas. Ils prendront leur repas. Elles prendront leur repas. Elles prendront leur repas. Yeah, there's no much differences in the pronunciation. This is exactly the same, actually. Okay, so you're all set up for everything. But wait for additions. I would like to make an addition to this lesson. So when you look again on the screen, green, and you have part is red. So you're going to check on the red part. And you have singular, mon, ton, son, notre, votre, leur. Mon, ton, son, notre, votre, leur. Then you have the plural, mes, tes, ses, nos, vos, leurs. At school, I don't know if it was in my school or if my parents taught me that. I have no idea, but I think it was probably at school. You were going to make a mix between the singular and plural. This is how sort of I have been learning. Mon, ton, son, mes, tes, ses. I take the free first of singular and the free first of the plural. So, mon, ton, son, mes, tes, ses. Then, notre, votre, leur, nos, vos, leurs. This is how I have been learning at school. And what, if you know some French, nos, vos, leurs, no, like our, plural, but voleur. And of course, you will not put the S in this case, and you will put voleur in only one word. And this like you were saying, our thieves, like a thief, someone who steals, our thieves. So this is how a little tip for French kid when we were little, we were saying. So again, if you want to have the same method than when I learned when I was little, mon, ton, son, mes, tes, ses, notre, votre, leur, nos, vos, leurs. Because this is something that kids will remember, nos, vos, leurs, our thieves. This is something that they know what it is. But if you just learn like that, the possessive adjectives, well, it's more fun for kids or for, people who do not know French to learn something that makes sense. I'm not saying that those adjectives don't make any sense. This is not what I'm saying, but, when you want to learn, you want to have more fun. And that's also why there is a part in my lessons, they are like theoric because you have to know how to write them, you have to know, things like that. But I want this like cool lesson. I want to do like if I was talking to you and you were responding back. You know what I mean? Not like a teacher and you have this straight and no. We are not. I'm not very interested to do things like that. It's too strict, too school, too pedagogic. It's not very much what I like. I like things that are more informal, but in doing the formal things, fun things, cool, but learning. Yeah. Okay. Bye. And I want to make another addition. I was listening back my video before, because I am editing it at this time, before to convert it, then post it and everything. And I noticed something. I said, immediately this is plural because it's prenne. Okay, elle prenne. I'm talking about the present of indicative. I'm not talking about other things. So when I'm telling you something in any of the lessons, I'm talking about this particular lesson I'm doing. Because some days you might, go farther in French and you will know that you can say qu'elle prenne, for example, and it will be actually singular. But it will not be the present tense of indicative. I am talking about the present tense of indicative. You know the difference when it's singular and plural because it's elle prend, singular, elles prennent, plural. But it's only because I'm talking about the present tense of indicative. So don't get me wrong. I just want to tell you this right now. Okay. This time I think it will be my last addition. And then maybe I come back and I say, okay, another addition. Well, okay.